Hi everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life, happy new year 2021. Kumusta Pilipinas? How are you everybody? And Suksabay Cambodia. In this video, I show you and I share you what I've got and what I've learned. So, what's in this box? Stay connected. So before I share you what's in this box, first I have to shout out my very supportive husband because he can see me of my hard work and learning each day and making a video at the same times on my YouTube. He always surprises me a reward. This is not about showing what I have. I just want to show you that me, a 43-year-old, with all this stuff that I never knew, and now I know. Okay, so what's in this box? We open it now and I explain to you. First, I explain to you about my Fime Palm. So I have this Fime Palm, a very small one. This is my second camera or a backup camera which is cheaper than my Sony because I'm scared if I bring outside my Sony and then this time there's a lot of snatcher, so I rather use the Fime and it's small and it's cheaper, a lot cheaper. So this is my Fime and there's a, if you use like this, and after you use, there is a cover for the lens, like this. And if you're using a bigger casing, this one, this is very safety also. You can put it here, like this. And for the Fime, I have so much gear, which I never know. But when my husband bought it, he explained to me. So now I share it to you also. This is the selfie stick for Fime. You can put the Fime in here and your cell phone here to connect the Fime apps. My phone is downstairs. So while you are on video or capturing for selfie stick, and of course the Fime is in here, so it's too much or it's too far, so you can put your cell phone in here and you can manage to do something with the Fime. I have also this stuff for the motorbike. So if I go driving and I want my Fime on me or I bring my Fime to capture some video, I put this one on the motorbike handle and put the Fime in here with this stuff. This is like a case for the Fime, so you put the Fime in here and you put it like this. And another one, I have this harness. This harness you can put in your body, on the back or in the front, and you can put the Fime in here also. So this is more on outside sporty if you want to do some sporty video. And the Fime again, this is a long selfie stick. One time I used this for like a drone, shoot like a drone. So I put my Fime in here and shooting like this. But this is also for my dolly. I explain you again later. I have a lot of Fime gear. This stuff for this gear for Fime, you can also clip this on your bag, your backpack. So you can, if you have backpack, you can put in front. If you put the Fime in front and then put the Fime in here with again this one, the case the case for the Fime. And I have this in the filter. This you can put on the lens of the Fime, because if there's too much light, you can change the filter on it. And this one with the external microphone of the Fime. So you can put this one on the Fime in here and put something microphone like what I have here, my Comica, but the connection is there on the camera, which you can use. I can use also in here on the Fime. So okay, that's about my Fime. I also share another stuff in here, another gear. But this one I did not use yet, but later on this year I have to use this more often. So this is my dolly. So the dolly can put on the table and can run like this, and then you can shoot. The camera is in here, and here is the thing for the dolly. You can put here on the dolly, camera in here, so you can shoot around or you can shoot straight with a cinematic capture. And also we have to use also the monopod, the long one. My monopod is in there in my tripod. And some here is my lavalier, and I show you already also my zoom recorder. And here I put selfie stick and some tripod. This is for my Sony small tripod for the table or for doing a selfie video or pictures. And another tripod, and another one, and another one. And I have this one for my teleprompter on the future. Because I always sometimes I use my script, hang it there on my tripod, because I cannot memorize if I make a script. But this time I don't have a script. I'm just talking. And I also show you already my gimbal for my Sony. So I explain you also, I have this tripod. I have two tripods. One is for my Sony, and this one is my backup also if I use my Fime or my phone. So this one, when I bought this one, have already this plate. Yeah, but this one, we just bought it because we don't need to screw all the time the Sony. So my husband bought this plate, a standard one. If you want a multiple camera or two camera, you need to buy this standard plate, so you don't need to unscrew and then take again and screw again and put another one. So this tripod, we use this plate so we can put directly the Sony or the Fime. We don't need to unscrew again, because what I have in my Sony, I put the small plate to connect in here. I show you later. So this one and this one, this is my two tripod, and yeah, this is the standard plate also that you can put in the tripod. And here I have the small one. This plate was in the camera in my Sony. This is also standard, you can put in any camera. And look at this, in my camera there is, of course, there's always like a hole, and you screw it there, and that is the standard plate. So then you can put in a standard also tripod. If you have a multiple camera, you want to use a standardized system. So everything fit in everything with cell phone and different camera. So here in my small office, where is my bedroom, I hope you learned a little bit of what I share, because I'd like to share to my friends or to everybody that a 43-year-old. Me, I am 43-year-old. So much appreciated what I have now and what I've learned. And for the coming future, thank you for watching my video. And now, it's time to click in here, in my face, to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you. Have a nice day.